teaching mathematics in the intermediate grade. What is mathematics? Mathematicians seek out patterns, formulate new conjectures, and establish truth by rigorous deduction from appropriately chosen axioms and definitions. Since the beginning of recorded history, mathematical discovery has been at the forefront of every civilized society. Math can be a difficult subject area for many kids to grasp. While some children may understand math concepts more intuitively, it may not be easy for others. This is where your role as a parent comes in. There are several ways parents can help their little ones practice and improve their math skills. In order to succeed in this subject area, start with counting.
Learning math begins with counting. Believe it or not, you can start teaching your little one how to count and other simple math concepts from a very early age. For example, if you have 3 apples, put them on the table and invite your child to count them with you. This type of activity helps young children begins to grasp the concept of number in their simplest form.
Use pictures.
Pictures are helpful tools when teaching children math concepts. Incorporating visual aids and pictures can make concepts easier to understand for kids who are just beginning to learn how to count. In addition to helping children learn what each number looks like, pictures can also be used to teach kids about addition and subtraction. If your little one is having trouble grasping this type of basic math concept, pictures can make all the difference.
Make flashcards.
Flashcards are also effective teaching tools when teaching kids mathematics. They provide a hands-on learning experience and can be made easily at home with everyday items you might have on hand. For example, if your child is struggling to remember what number 5 looks like, there's no need to go out and purchase expensive flashcards from the store. Instead, grab some index card and write number 1 through 5 on each card with a marker.
Make math fun.
Learning about math doesn't have to be a dull, boring experience for kids. There are plenty of ways to incorporate math concepts into your daily life in ways that make learning more exciting and engaging.
Use hands-on teaching tools.
There's a variety of ways you can teach your child about various math concepts by incorporating hands-on teaching tools, many of which you can find around your home or at the school. While these teaching aids are primarily intended to teach children how to count, they can also be used to help them learn other basic math concepts as well. Give some thought to how your child might learn best before introducing any of these teaching tools. Otherwise, they can prove to be more a distraction than an asset for both of you.
Play math games.
Math games are simple and fun ways to help kids learn how to solve math problems while they are having fun. Games like Yahtzee, Waffle, and Dominoes all use the process of addition. To make learning more accessible for your little one, you can teach them how to play a variety of math games at home with everyday items you have on hand.
Use everyday objects.
Teaching kids about mathematics is even easier when you use everyday items. For example, you can always use a ruler to teach kids about measurement, and an egg cartoon is a great tool to demonstrate the concept of multiplication with a small group of objects.
These are just a few of the easy ways you can use to help reinforce basic math concepts with children. Here are some fun classroom math activities that will have your students begging to do more. Math Bingo.
This math games is sure to become a past favorite with your student. You can choose whatever skills you want to review, such as addition, subtraction, or number sequencing. The game works just like regular bingo, except students have to solve math problem in order to know what number to mark off their sheets.
Make a paper plate clock.
This hands-on craft activity is a fantastic way to practice these important skills. Start with a paper plate and make a small hole at the center. Students should write the number in the correct places using the colored paper. They can then cut the clock hands to the right size and secure them using a split pin from the center.
Guess the weight.
One at a time, ask students to guess the weight of each item and write their prediction in one column on a page. Using kitchen scale, invite individual students to weight each item and record the correct answer in the second column. You can also add a column in between and pass each item around the class, so students can guess the weight after holding each item in their hand.
Pizza fractions.
Fraction can be tricky, so this activity can really help students to visualize key concepts. Create an instruction sheet with 5 different fractions on each. Students should create a pizza using a construction paper or even the inside of an empty pizza box and decorate the toppings to represent each fraction.
Survey and graph.
Ask each student to think of a question they like to survey their fellow classmates on. For example, they might like to ask their classmate what their favorite animals is out of a dog, monkey, pig, or chicken. Give students time to walk around the classroom quizzing each other and recording their data.
Make sure you prepare items beforehand and place them in a safe and visible spot. This activity can be done outside or in the classroom. Thank you.